Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pharma Job Bullet. So today in this video, and this video is considered very important for freshers, those who wish to join pharma industry. Why I'm saying is, so before entering into pharma industry, most of the freshers in today's scenario, they are not even know about the working hours, how the working hours will be there in the pharma industry, what are the shift system there in pharma industry. So before getting into the job, so if you know it before and you are okay with it, then it will be very good. But most of the times I see freshers who join pharma industry and they struggle to work in this shift system. uh, Actually they don't know what shift system will be. For some kind of jobs there will be a general shift only, but most of the job in pharma industry, especially in the manufacturing facilities, you need to work in shift systems. Sometimes you need to work some extra hours. So that's why this video is all dedicated to the freshers, those who are starting their career fresh in the pharma industry. So after this video you can ask me if you have any doubts in the comments below. I use very simple language so that everyone can understand. So I hope you will like this video. So coming to the shift system, how many shifts will be there in pharma industry? So my dear friends, there are three shifts. There will be three shifts. General means, so you need to work like a 9 to 6 or 9 to 5 job, 9 to 5:30 or 9 to 6 job. Mostly those who are working in pharma industry will work for around 9 hours if they come in day shift or general shift. So you are understanding, catching my point, my dear friends. Day shift or general shift, which is around 9 to 6 or 8:30 to 5:30, like the timings will be there in most of the pharma companies in and around India. So most of the companies, so some, for some companies there may be change in timings, but most of the companies they will start at around 8:30 or 9 and close by 5:30 or 6. So company won't close, your shift will, I mean, your working hours will close. And sometimes you need to, even though you went in general shift, sometimes based on the work requirement you have to stay up to a 1 hour 2 hours extra work you have to do. And let us start to the shift system. There are three kinds of shifts, my dear friends. That is A shift, B shift and C shift. A shift, the timings will be from morning 6 a.m to afternoon 2 p.m. And next is B shift, which starts from 2 p.m to 10 p.m. So, and another is C shift, which will start from 10 p.m to 6 a.m. So these are the three shifts which are there in pharma industry. And in most of the companies I have seen, some people even work, they will come in A shift and they will work until general shift. Means they will come early in the morning at 6 a.m to the company or the facility, and they will not leave at 2 p.m. They will continue working till 5 p.m, I mean 6 p.m, until their work completion or based on the requirements. Sometimes your reliever may not come, so he might be having some kind of work at home, so suddenly he will keep a leave, then you need to do some extra work because he will not be there. Or else sometimes based on the work requirement, so that work needs your presence, so where your capabilities are needed at that time, so at that time also you need to work some extra hours. So in this way shift system will be there in pharma industries. I hope freshers will understand what are the timings of the shifts in pharma industry. So there will be three kinds of shifts: A, B, C, 6 to 2, 2 to 10, and 10 to 6. So these are the rotational shifts. And working also, suppose you are working in a formulation facility, then you will be mostly having weekly one shift. Suppose month we have 4 weeks per month, right? First week you will be coming in A shift, second week you will be coming in B shifts, and third week you will be coming in C shift, and again A shift. Like that rotation will be there in the shift system. Sometimes if you have any work you can extend the shift also based on the requirement. And in this way weekly shifts will be there in the formulation industry. When we come to API, so shifts will be weekly. Like suppose Monday Tuesday A shift, Wednesday Thursday B shift, Friday Saturday C shift, like that will be there. In a week three shifts will be there, but for formulation overall week is single shift only, like that. Sometimes based on the requirement of the plant, shift schedule may change. So these are the shift systems. So I hope you all understand it very clearly. I have explained in a simple manner. So still, if you find any doubts, let me know in the comment section.